In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel offer on eBay. If you've sent a best offer and realize the price isn't right or the item isn't what you expected, you can retract that offer as long as it hasn't been accepted and you haven't already agreed to a counteroffer. I'll walk you through the exact path on desktop and share a few tips so you know it's fully canceled. First, make sure you're signed into your eBay account. At the top right of the eBay homepage, hover your mouse over My eBay. Don't click yet. Just place your cursor on it. A drop-down menu will open. This menu is the quickest way to reach your account activity without digging through multiple pages. So hovering here saves time and reduces clicks. From that drop-down menu, click Bids Offers. This takes you to a dashboard that groups all your auction bids and best offers in one place. The page may load a few sections, and that's normal if you've been browsing a lot. Here, you'll see distinct areas for your bids and your offers, which helps you avoid mixing up auction activity with offer activity. Next, go to the offer section. This is where every open best offer you've submitted is listed. Find the specific item you want to cancel. Next to that listing, look for the option to cancel or retract your offer. Click it and follow the prompts on screen. eBay may ask for a reason, entering the wrong amount, changing your mind, or similar. Choose the option that best fits and confirm. After you confirm, wait for the success message. You should then see the offer either disappear from the active list or show as retracted. A few helpful reminders here. If the seller has already accepted your offer, the cancel option won't be available because the sale has moved forward. If there's a counteroffer, you won't cancel the original. Instead, you can decline the counter from the same offers area. Also, offers can expire automatically if the seller set a time window, commonly 24 to 48 hours. So if you no longer see your offer and there's no acceptance or counter, it may have simply timed out. To double check, refresh the page and confirm that the status has updated. You can return to bids or offers anytime to verify that nothing has changed. That's all there is to it. Hover on My eBay, click Bids, Offers, and handle everything from the Offers tab. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you retract an eBay offer quickly and confidently.